Hello kids, let's learn ABC with me. A. A for apple.
A for apple.
A for aunt.
A for aunt.
B. B for bear.
B for bear.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C. C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D. D for dog.
D for dog.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E. E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for eye.
E for eye.
F. F for frog.
F for frog.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G. G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H. H for hen.
H for hen.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for iguana.
I for iguana.
J. J for jug.
J for jug.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K. K for knife.
K for knife.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L. L for ladybug.
L for ladybug.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for net.
N for net.
O for orange.
O for orange.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower.
T for tree.
T for tree.
T for train.
T for train.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
V for van.
V for van.
W for web.
W for web.
W for whistle.
W for whistle.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yarn.
Y for yarn.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.